My name's Kevin Klein. I'm a validation technician at Zoox, and this is my 1996 Golf Harlequin. Within the Volkswagen community, this is a very rare car. They made 264 Golf Harlequins for North America. This is number 116. I've had it for about 8 years. It has 220,000 miles on it, and use it as a regular car. I was pretty young, probably around kindergarten. My dad got me a subscription to Rod & Custom magazine, and I was hooked right off the bat. When I was 15, I bought a 54 Chevy truck, and now with my kids, we go to Cars and Coffee regularly here in Vegas, and they absolutely love it. I started out working as a mechanic and then an apprentice at Santa Barbara Volkswagen. After working at Tesla, I was able to transition to Zoox. Here in Vegas, you can ride a roller coaster, a gondola, a limo, but the best seat in town is in a Zoox. I joined Zoox in 2018. I'm a validation technician. That means validating a lot of our repair procedures, staying close with our documentation team. We're creating a product that people are going to use every day, and it's part of my job to make sure that that feels seamless. I think 15-year-old me would be pretty stoked.